Today I'm sharing with you guys my top 5 favorite outfits that I put together in June. I've seen this kind of concept going around with most worn outfits, but for me, the odds of me wearing like athleisure wear are very high, like every single day. So I wanted to make a video kind of about outfits that I was really proud of that I put together and share it with you guys in case it inspires you to experiment a little bit in your closet. So this is just like a fun little video that I hope inspires you to kind of just like put different items together that maybe you wouldn't normally put together, or just experiment with different trends and check out the thrift store, because a lot of the stuff that I wear is thrifted, but a lot of that is because I am limited with my money and my ability to buy things. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, let me know, because I can totally do this every single month. I feel like it's a fun way to kind of document some of the month too, so maybe it can turn into like a little vloggy style. I'm in my fashion girly era, so I'm just like trying. Hope y'all love it, and I will see you in the next video. I put this first outfit together for a little date night with Nick, and I thought this was such a fun way to kind of dazzle up a white tank top and blue jeans. I got this meshed bedazzled top from Amazon for like $20, and I'll link it in the description, because you guys, this totally elevates any look. Obviously paired it with cowboy boots, but just such a fun pop and like bouncy way to pair an outfit. I don't know why I said bouncy or pair, but it's cute. This is what I wore. If y'all follow me on TikTok, I've been loving the cargo pant, and I thrifted these pink ones that are like super Barney, but so fun. And fun fact, this Girls Can Do It All shirt was from the children's section, and I cropped it. So I thought this was a fun way to do like a little pink on pink, like a giant toddler moment, but we all need one of those this summer. I wore this in New York and it was really fun. I felt super free and comfy. Guys, this is literally me in an outfit. Like, are you kidding me? Running shorts with my Corona Light t-shirt, my little bolero jacket and cowboy boots, like athleisure / fashionista. That is where I like to tread. Tread. I don't know, but I fucking love it. Gives me Adam Sandler, but like sexy. He's like my inspiration, my Y2K king. But I love this pairing, and I think it's like such a casual, fun way to be comfortable and like sweat proof, but like super on trend in high fashion. Okay, take high fashion with a grain of salt, but still adorable. Wore it in New York. So fun. I got yelled at on TikTok for this one, but something about a baby doll tank top with athleisure like basketball shorts just really gets me going. And of course I had to pair it with a cowboy boot. I think the juxtaposition, I can't speak, between like a cute little twilly frilly top and athletic shorts is so stinking cute. I don't know, it's like polarizing in the best way. And I wore this to the grocery store. I shit you not, I really did. It was great. This one's for my horse girls. I don't know why this one gives me horse girl energy. Probably because I tucked my pants into my cowboy boots and then the little like taxi driver hat. I don't know. I love a good neutral with the pop, and the pop being a hat. And then, I don't know, I thought it was like kind of fun to wear the cowboy boots outside of the jeans instead of under them. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. It is giving equestrian, but I'm not really mad about it. And I wore it in New York and it was really comfortable. So I will be wearing this again. Those are my outfits, or like the ones that I was like really proud of for June. And I definitely want to do this in July, because I've already put together some outfits that I think are really cute. But I would love to know what your favorite outfit is right now. Like, what's your favorite combo? Should I try it? Also, are you following me on TikTok? Because I am on there, and it is a good time. And then also, what kind of fashion videos would you like to see? Because again, kind of into it right now, so enjoying that. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm editing in Nick's room right now, or like his office, not his room, clearly. Okay, bye.